Science is a way of life that seeks knowledge of the natural, or even in the supernatural world, or based on our example, to the undead. Just a short background of our example, a king has been infected by a disease that once caused him to be sick, or rather, undead.
In a far village, due to desperation for food, a villager mistakenly cooked a body eaten by the king and served it for the people. This rapidly kills and makes them rise from the dead.
Observations. What are the initial observations as per the zombie's physical appearance? What did she think caused this disease?
사람이 살거나 피냄새가 좋습니다.
What does temperature have to do with the rising of the zombies? Previously, the undead only came out after sunset, but a new observation was made. The zombies are seemingly nocturnal and in daylight appear like normal corpses. The temperature dropped and suddenly a horde of undead zombies emerged. Hypothesis. Why?
The amazing plot of the story is a different discussion, but the point is, we learn that it is actually the temperature that stops them from attacking, and if it is cool enough, then they will rise from the dead. This forces Subin to investigate on why this has happened.
Experiment. How? It is later learned that the disease is actually caused by a rare herb called the resurrection plant. Analysis. Subi then analyzed that the worms are a factor when placed near a resurrection plant and a zombie, it will then be alive, one who devours live flesh. Conclusion.
Once they figure out the core of all these ravenous zombies, according to the PDF, the value of science is the predictive power that we gain from science. Because going back to the fact that they can fight this. Why? Because they already predicted it.
According to the Science, a Scientific Method by Harold Garcia, he stated that the purpose of any research is to arrive at a statement that describes an aspect of the physical world. So we hope you got the glimpse or the concept of the examples that we just showed, because we mixed it with a supernatural world.